all know how important brakes are to having a safe and reliable vehicle. And a lot of customers call in with concerns over hearing brake noise or having a pulsation, vibration when hitting their brakes. What recommendations do you have for them with the safety item?
My recommendation for our clients is to come in for our free preliminary inspection on the braking system. We're going to look at the brakes, measure the pads. More importantly is we're going to look at all the other things that often get missed. We're going to look at the rotors, look at the calipers, make sure they're releasing. We want to make sure that all systems are operational and safe. We are also going to look at your brake hoses, look at your brake fluid, make sure that that is clean, and just give an overall bill of health. Make recommendations from there to make sure that the vehicle is safe and reliable for your family.
All right, folks. Make sure to give us a call when it's most convenient for you, and we can get that brake system checked out to make sure you will be safe on the road. Thanks.